These are Parker 45 fountain pens, and I will show you how you can easily remove the nib. You just take off the cap, grab that shroud with your fingertips and simply unscrew it. Okay. If you need more force, maybe just make sure that your fountain pen is cleaned as much as you can before. So you just unscrew it. Carefully pull it out. And here you have the feed, shroud and the nib. And if you want to take it further apart, you just push this towards the, like this. So you can just pull it down and the nib just stays there simply. And here you go. This nib is a little bit damaged, but writes really well. And this is a 14 karat gold nib. Now I will just put it back together. You can see those little slots. It fits perfectly there. Like this. You will just push back this. You can see the shape of it. The larger part goes above the nib. You just push it back together. There is no click sound, but you can definitely feel with your fingertips when it's in its housing. But just be cautious and use mechanical sympathy. And now we'll just screw in back again. Like this. Put the cap back on. I can show you these are the same fountain pens. I can show you one more. So you can see this one also has the engraving. Take the cap off. This one has a steel nib. Grab that plastic, start to unscrew carefully. Take it out. Push it back. Right. Here you go. This is the steel nib. Simply take it off. You can clean it. These are all cleaned somehow, at least a bit. This is the steel nib. You just put it back together. You can feel it with your finger when it's in its place. Just falls right there, it does not move. Yes. Right. Screw it back. There you go. And the third one is a steel nib again, but I will not take that apart because it's the same procedure. I hope my video helped you. Have a nice day. And hit that like button, subscribe, comment, whatever. Bye.